This winter storm is snarling holiday travel plans for those who are trying to catch a flight. KSN's Alexis Padilla is live at Eisenhower Airport. Alexis.
Jason, people are still making their way into the airport right now, bundled up after braving the cold temperatures and wind chills, and also just those roads in general. There have been several canceled flights, both leaving and set to come into the airport for several hours. Some of those locations included Dallas, Denver, Chicago. You can see people are still trying to check in, figure out their flights, but in the gated areas where all of the chaos was earlier today, the runway was closed for several hours because of ice, and many people waiting for their flights, those with layovers. It was an added headache trying to figure out if they're going to make it or not, trying to get on a different flight. But some people also simply change their flight altogether, booking for a later date to see if they can make it. Some flights have been delayed as much as 6 hours, and some still waiting to take off. One person said because so many people left, they had a whole row to themselves, which was really nice. We are going to continue to be monitoring these conditions here at the airport and talking with travelers. Make sure to tune in to KSN News at 4, 5, and 6 to hear some of those thoughts. For you in Wichita, Alexis Padilla, KSN News 3.